Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I cut my bangs into my frontal wig unit. So I'm first starting out by just parting a triangle in the front section of my head. And this works really well if your hair is already parted down the middle, because you can make sure that both sides of your triangle are even. And the size of your triangle is going to determine the thickness or thinness of your bangs. So if your triangle is a little smaller, your bangs are going to be more thinner. If your triangle is a little bigger, your bangs are going to be a little thicker. I was going for like a medium size or medium thickness. I don't want my bangs to be too thick or thin, so I'm just parting like just a medium sized triangle. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to get all the hair flowing in the direction that the bangs are going to lay, and this is going to help the bangs lay more flat against my head. So now it's time to go in and actually cut the bangs. So I'm just gathering all the hair in the front and I'm twisting the bangs 2 times. I really don't know why I did this, but I see people do this all the time. They cut bangs, so I just did it. And I'm just cutting the bangs straight across. And I actually started out by making the bangs a little bit longer than I wanted it to. And I would recommend doing this because you can always go back and cut more hair. But if you cut the hair too short, you know, you can't turn back from there. So always start a little bit longer than what you want. And then I'm just going to comb the bangs down. And of course, they look really crazy right now. But I'm just going to go in with my flat iron and bump it just to get a better feel of how the bangs are going to lay. And I actually went back and trimmed the hair about 2 more times. This is a whole process, so I would really say take your time with it. Don't rush the process. Just keep cutting the bangs little by little until you get the desired length that you're going for. Okay, y'all, so this hair was super greasy and it was making the bangs like stick together kind of funny, I guess. I had a lot of product in this hair, so it was really greasy and it was weighing the hair down. So I just went in with some dry shampoo to kind of get rid of some of the greasiness and just kind of give the hair a little bit more movement.
As I could when I was stuck in this place. I dogged as many chicks as I could when I was stuck in this place.
So once I finally got my bangs to the desired length that I was going for, I went ahead and clipped them out the way and I got started on my makeup. I don't think I'm really going to talk through this part because this is a fairly simple look. You guys have seen me use all these products before. I'm not doing anything new, but I just really wanted to incorporate this makeup look in this video because I haven't done makeup on my channel in a while. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this part of the video, and as always, all the products that I use will be linked down below along with the information and links to this hair. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back with you guys. But as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
much fun as I could when I was stuck in this place. Played as hard as I could when I was stuck in this place. Dogged as many chicks as I could when I was stuck in this place.